Hi guys, here is Belsee. Today I will introduce this 8-inch IPS touchscreen special for Renault Dacia Sandero 2013 to 2016 years. Okay, let me introduce header unit. They are come with special harness for header unit. This is special harness. You can check the connector. This is plug and play. This canvas box, canvas decoder box, Renault Dacia. Okay, this will come with header unit, plug and play. Okay, let me introduce header unit. You can choose time, you can choose logo. Check the setting, you can check Belsee is the manufacturer of undercar header unit. Telephone number and the email address you can contact to us. You also can choose the Renault logo. Renault, okay, when you're back, it's your Renault logo. Okay, you can change this theme color. This button color, you can change it. Any color you can adjust it. It's red, it's blue, it's gray. Okay, you can change any color. We change the red. We back the Belsee logo. Okay, then we check the settings. But the settings, you can check. We already upgraded this icon with color. Okay, check about machine. You can check MCU and CPU. This is 4GB Octa core, 4GB RAM. Okay, model is PX5, Rock chip PX5 Octa core, Android 9. Android 9. This is you back. Okay. You can check this Pi system. Okay, this is Android 9 version. Okay, this IP address and the Wi-Fi. It's built-in Wi-Fi. Already connect to Wi-Fi. Okay. Back to home. Let me check the internet. Google. Let me try the Google Voice command. It's built-in microphone. It's built-in microphone. What's time in China? So far we need to upgrade our software. Let me check our website, belsee.com. This is taskbar. And let me connect the SSR. It's VPN. Okay, connected. Okay, this is our website, belsee.com, belsee.com. If you have any more questions, please just let me know. Just contact to us. Okay, this is our website belsee.com. Let me check the navigation. It's built in Google Maps. Let me try. London. New York. Okay, it can't capture. Let me put New York. Okay, let me check this. Okay, it's loaded slow because our country can't visit Google service. Okay, let me introduce the music from USB. You can check there are two USB cable on back of head units. This USB driver. When you connect USB cable, it plays music automatically. This volume you can also control it from your steering wheel control. It's random. It's file. Video disabled drive for safety, so you need to open it in the settings. Find the settings, it's car setting and driver setting. You can turn on the watch video and play video again from USB 1, and this 4K Samsung 4K Diamond video. We wrote the word is 4K video. It also supports Android CarPlay and Android Auto, Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. Okay, this video, let me check the settings. Let me pair the Bluetooth. This is Bluetooth. You can check the settings. It's car keys and the pin number 40. Okay, this is my Galaxy S8 Plus. Let me open the Bluetooth from your phone, and this click search button. You will get the Galaxy S8 Plus. Choose it and click. Your phone will get the command. You see, put the 40 and click OK. It's done. It should connected. Change the Bluetooth icon. Okay, you can make a phone call. Volume from Okay, you can hang up. You can play music from streaming music from your phone. Very fast. Volume from your phone. Okay, this is stream music from your phone. You can stop it and let me check the settings. You can check car setting. There are 10 other watch video and this reserve camera volume. You can change the full drive settings. This rear reserve sets the ruler and the tracking display, X mirror, steering wheel control and the settings is for steering wheel. Okay, this factory setting. If you restore factory settings, this is how to data reset your header unit. Okay, please click set car settings, upgrade and restore your factory setting. If you click this restore system to factory settings, the current settings will be lost. You will data reset this, click OK your system for Android Pie system. Okay, this personal settings, autoplay music, this is AC standby power. When you put if you choose 1 hour and put the car key in 1 hour, it starts just 1 second. Okay, and these LED buttons, you can choose green or blue, any color you can adjust this button. Okay, let me choose red. Okay, this factory settings and navigation settings. You can set the maps and the navigation sound. You can set it. Okay, that's all. If you have any more questions, please contact to us. Visit our website. Okay, that's all. Thank you.